Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Google Drive account. For that, let's just you need to go and open your browser. I'm using Google browser and you can use any browser of your choice and tap g.co/recovery, and then it will take you to another website, and you need to enter your email or phone number. If you don't remember your email, tap on forgot email and it will ask you to enter your phone number and tap on next button, and it will verify you using your passkey, or it can also verify you using your phone number or secondary email. They will send you code or a link, and follow that and tap on and following that link or entering that code will take you to another page where you can create a new strong password, and that is how you can recover your Google Drive. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.